Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the transformation of ICT Operations and Services. Please feel free to enjoy the video and to subscribe. In this session, we are discussing the cycle of service within ICT Operations and Service. This is focused on the transformation and the automation of knowledge worker services. A lot of the offerings are going to be on a pay-per-use transaction model, funded out of operational expenditures, OPEX, instead of capital expenditures, CAPEX. A lot of it is service on demand, and it's going to include the more familiar technology offerings like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, database as a service, software as a service, as well as the emerging knowledge worker services like project management as a service, audit as a service, tax as a service. The services will also include analytics as a service, artificial intelligence, machine learning, real-time decision making, management of the information sources, assuring the quality of the information and its sources, as well as assuring the delivery of artificial intelligence, analytics as a service, and those other automated knowledge worker services. IT services and operations has the actual management of the service, the management of the workload, the financial management, the management of vendors, as well as managing its customers and the management of its business. ICT Operations and Services will also play a fundamental role in business strategy. The strategic transformation of a business around the adoption of artificial intelligence, machine learning, real-time decision making is a business strategy whereby technology is at the board, it is at the executive. It is helping to shape and drive the business strategy. From the business strategy comes the business needs, the delivery of the service, the supporting of the service, the integration of the service, the management of the security, compliance, audit, and risk, which again feeds into the business strategy. For those in the session, we are going to talk about this further. For those following the video, there are several more videos around the transformation of IT operations and services. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.